Hi, I'm Amber Kathy here at Nashville Vocal Studio, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips and some strategies to help you with nerves and performance anxiety. It's something that every performer deals with, but it certainly impacts singers greatly because for our instrument to work its very best and for us to sound our very best, we need to be tension-free so those chords can connect, vibrate, be flexible, move to change pitches, and have our very best tone. And obviously when we are nervous, we get the exact opposite of that. Everything comes in, everything tightens up and makes singing much, much harder, makes the actual vocal function much, much harder. And it's a cycle. As soon as we tighten up here and our voice doesn't sound as good, maybe we get pitchy, something doesn't come out the way that we want, then we're unhappy, we get even more nervous, we tighten up more, and it's this cycle that does us no good. So this is a very big topic, but today I'm going to talk about a strategy well before your performance, a strategy right before your performance, and a strategy during your performance. So the first strategy that I want to talk about is well before your performance, when you are preparing. And preparing is the big word. Do as much as you can in advance to know your song, to know your technique, to know your lyrics. All of those things sound probably very self-explanatory, but it is shocking how many times I deal with singers who feel like they've had an unsuccessful performance and they've been extremely nervous and they feel like that definitely impacted their performance. And then we start talking and they really didn't spend all that much time solidifying the performance before they went out there. So make sure that you know exactly what you're going to do vocally, you know exactly what your lyrics are, and you feel as rock solid as you can. If you work on your technique before, if you work on your song before, if you make performance choices before, as much as you can plan ahead, when am I going to do this run? Exactly what notes am I going to put in that run if you need to do that? Where am I going to walk on the stage? When am I going to use my hands? Pre-plan as much as you can, and you will find that that makes you feel a whole lot more confident and solid when you actually get on stage. The next strategy I want to talk about is what you can do right before your performance. And the number one thing that you can do is warm up your voice. You want to stretch it out and get it ready, just like you would for any other athletic activity. Singing is absolutely the most athletic thing we can do with our voice. We want to stretch those folds out, get the voice, get the body ready for performance. And I would really focus on specifically tension release exercises. And I'm going to put a link at the end of the video that gives you some of those options that you can sing along with and practice with at home. So warm up the voice, focusing on tension release exercises. Release the jaw, release the tongue. Also, physical stretches will make a huge difference. I'm going to put a link at the end of the video for that as well. You want to relax the shoulders, relax the neck, get these intercostal muscles ready for good, healthy breath support. Do some breathing exercises before. I'll put a link down below for that as well. So warm up your voice, warm up your body, get it ready to go so that you feel as prepared as you can when you get out and get ready to perform. The last strategy I want to speak about is what do you do when you are up there ready to perform? You're on that stage, you're behind that mic, you're in that studio, however and wherever you are performing, you've prepared, you've done everything you can, you know your material, you know your technique, you've warmed up your voice, you've warmed up your body, you've done everything you can, and still here come those nerves ready to impact your performance. So you need to give those nerves, that tension, a place to go. We know we need our upper body to be as loose and flexible, all those mechanisms around the voice and that work in conjunction with the voice to be as free and flexible as possible. So you want to put that tension in your legs and in your behind. So if you are standing and performing, one thing you can do is put a little bit of bend in your legs, just a mini squat. All of a sudden you're going to feel these quads all the way down to your feet fire up. As soon as that happens, all of this loosens up. You can't hold that much tension throughout your body. So I'm kind of doing a weird little squat here. But if you're moving around, if you are behind a mic, you're moving and performing, no one is going to see a little bit of bend in your legs. In fact, it just looks like you're really into your performance. The other thing that you can do is really squeeze your behind and think about an arrow into the ground. Just put loads of tension here. So as soon as you have tension in your behind or your legs, you will notice all of this frees up. Give that tension a place to go, and it's going to help you a lot. So if you are sitting when you're performing, maybe you're performing at a writer's round, squeeze that behind. Push those legs into the floor, push those feet into the floor. Put as much tension as you can in that lower body, and all of a sudden this will relax. It will help you. I hope you found these strategies helpful. I hope you also know that if you're dealing with nerves, performance anxiety on any level, it's completely normal. You are not alone. It happens to all of us at all levels of singing, all levels of performing, and there are strategies that can help you work through that. Eventually, we want those butterflies that we feel to be excitement, to drive our performance and give it more energy. But it takes some work to get to that point, and it can be a lifelong challenge that we have to work through. So know that you're not alone. Know that there are strategies that you can utilize to help. I put links at the bottom of this video for tension release exercises, for some breath support exercises, for some physical stretches. If you have strategies that are really effective for you for dealing with nerves and anxiousness and anxiety whenever you perform, please comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and please come back often.